Welcome to Sounds Heavenly. Now, if you've been following the channel recently, you will know that on the 17th of November 2025, it's Bang & Olufsen's 100th birthday. And to celebrate, I'm giving away these amazing Beolab Penta loudspeakers. So, have a look at the end of this video through the previous one that I will link on screen. You will see the full story of what's happened. Suffice to say, I owe a huge debt of gratitude to my friend Ronnie for kindly donating 4 Beolab Penta loudspeakers. None of them worked on day one, but we've gone through a process of fault finding, testing and repairing to the stage that we're at now, where we have, from those 4 speakers that didn't work, we have 2 restored and working speakers. So I'll give you a full update on progress today, let you know how you can get into the competition to win these speakers free of charge, and hopefully you will come and join me on the 17th of November and find out if you are the lucky winner. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Steve from soundsheavenly.com. My day job is making the cables that connect B&O speakers like these amazing Pentas, but I'm also a lifelong B&O fan. So that's why I wanted to give something back to the B&O community here and offer a prize that's something, I hope you'll agree, a little bit special. Now, you can see at the end of this video a link to the stages we've gone through already, but I want to report that almost a month ahead of the giveaway date, we have both speakers tested and working. I'll give you a quick run through now of what we've done so far, show you a little bit of the work that we've carried out, and hopefully you will come and join in the competition, which I'll explain at the end of the video. So, what have we done so far? We've restored the foam surrounds on the mid-range drivers on all the speakers. They're all perished. That's fairly typical on these speakers. We've taken off the fabric grills, washed them using normal upholstery cleaner, and then rinsed them in clean cold water, allowed them to dry. They've come up virtually as new. We've replaced the covers over the speaker displays, so thank you to Olufsen for the kindly donating replacement covers. We've given them a thorough clean and polish, and they'll be cleaned again before they go out to their new owner on the 17th of November. And what we've had to do as well, which I'll show you more of in this video, is that we found the 2 speakers that had their cabinets in good condition had non-functioning amplifiers. So we had 2 working amplifiers from the 4. So what we've done is we've swapped them over. So as you can see here, I'll run you the video of the process. It's a case of removing with a 7mm socket the feet from the base of the loudspeaker after ensuring that they're supported properly, slide off the foot, slide it out through the mains cable, then undo 5 more nuts there that secure the amplifier. Slide it out, remove the DIN plug that gives the drivers for the display in the middle of the speaker, and then undo the red and black screw terminals that give the audio to the loudspeaker. It's worth noting the red wire has a physical ridge on it to mark it out as the positive terminal, so that's the one to identify to go back onto the red terminal afterwards. So once you've undone those, slide that off of the wires, slide the amplifier off of the base of the speaker, make sure that the 5 threaded rods are nice and tight using pair of pliers or similar grippers on the non-threaded part so that you don't damage the thread, and then the working amplifier can be slid back onto those 5 threaded rods. The DIN plug can go in, that's a slightly shorter wire than the other 2. Locate the ridged wire to go into the red terminal and screw that up tightly, and then you'll see there's a hole through the centre of the terminal once they're fully opened out. Pop the wire through that, screw the terminal up, same for the black one, and then support the amplifier. You see I've used cushions here to support the weight under the speaker so it doesn't damage the metalwork or let the speaker move while being worked on. You can then tighten up the 5 nuts on the threaded rod, put the foot back through the mains wire. You'll see there's a section for the front that's a slightly different shape with a flat edge. That goes to the front where the Bang & Olufsen logo is, and then tighten up the 5 nuts there, and everything is back together. So it's absolutely fantastic to see the transformation here. We have, although not quite brand new loudspeakers, we have some wonderfully restored, working and tested speakers again. So it's great to see just what a transformation this has been. If I show you now a quick clip of how the speakers looked less than 2 months ago, I'm really pleased with this. Now I must add at this point, I'm not a repairer, I make cables. So if you want cables to connect your Bang & Olufsen system, please drop me a line at soundsheavenly.com. If you want someone to repair your speakers, that's not me. I can't repair your speakers, I can't tell you how to repair them. What I will tell you if you ask is to go either to your local B&O dealer and ask for their repairer, or I will tell you to go to Multicare, who are Bang & Olufsen's classic repair partner for the United Kingdom. They will be able to repair your B&O for you. So I did mention I'm giving these away on the 17th of November 2025. How do you enter? Well, you've got to be subscribed to the channel, and other than that it's very simple. Once you've subscribed, go to soundsheavenly.com, look for the banner that rotates at the top of the page and says big speaker giveaway, click here, do it, click there. That will explain what you need to do. Nice and easy. So please subscribe, check back on the 17th of November and find if you are the lucky winner. Good luck to everyone, and I will come across to the side of the screen now so that up here you can see some videos about the progress and some other playlists of B&O videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the 17th of November. We'll confirm who's won these amazing speakers.